Hello students, let's start our class. Today, we are going to discuss a new chapter from your geography. The name of the chapter is Agriculture. In this chapter, you will get some important topics like types of farming, cropping pattern, major crops, food crops other than grains, non-food crops, technological and institutional reform, contribution of agriculture to the national economy, employment and output, food security, impact of globalization on agriculture. Dear student, for the convenience of discussion, we can divide the topic into two parts. First one is types of farming, cropping pattern, and major crops. Then second one, technological and institutional reforms. Today, we are going to discuss about the first part, that is type of farming, cropping patterns and major crops. Dear students, 2/3 of India's population is engaged in agricultural activities. Hence, agriculture is the primary occupation of the people in India. Since agriculture is an age-old economic activity in India, farming varies from subsistence to commercial type. At present, in different parts of India, we have seen basically three types of farming: primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and commercial farming. Primitive subsistence farming. It is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dao, and digging sticks. It depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and availability of other environmental conditions suitable to the crop grown. Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population. Under this type of farming, high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial farming. The main characteristics of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs, that is high-yielding variety, seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Dear students, now we are going to discuss the cropping seasons in India. India has three cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Kharif season, it starts with the onset of monsoon and continues until the beginning of winter, that is June, July to September and October. The Kharif crops include rice, maize, millet, cotton, jute, mung, etc. Rabi season. It starts with the beginning of winter and continues until the beginning of summer, that is October, December to April, June. The Rabi crops include wheat, barley, gram, and oilseeds. Zaid season. This is a short crop season in between the Rabi and the Kharif season. Crops like watermelons, cucumber, some vegetables, and fodder crops are the major crops of this season? Dear student, now we are going to discuss about the major crops. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton and jute. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutrition value. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. India is the largest producer of oilseeds in the world. Main oilseed produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soybean, castor seeds, cotton seeds, linseed, sunflower. Most of these are edible and used as cooking mediums. Dear students, let's discuss about non-food crops. Rubber. It is an equatorial crop but under special conditions. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 cm and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Fiber crops, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the four major fiber crops grown in India. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Cotton. India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant. In 2008, India was second largest producer of cotton after China. Jute. It is known as the golden fiber. It is now losing market to synthetic fibers and packing materials, particularly the nylon. Horticulture. Horticulture is the science and the art of growing plants. For example, fruits, vegetables, flowers and any other cultivar. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. India produces about 13% of the world vegetables. It is an important producer of peas, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. Thank you students. Have a good day ahead.